Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple way to avoid highways when using Google Maps on your phone. If you prefer taking local roads or want to avoid tolls and heavy traffic, this trick will make your navigation experience much smoother and more convenient. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top right. Then, from the menu, click on Settings. Then, scroll down and look for the option labeled Navigation. Tap on it to open the navigation settings. After that, scroll down until you find the Avoid Highways option. Turn it on to make sure Google Maps will automatically choose routes that avoid highways whenever you navigate. By adjusting this simple setting, you can control your routes better, avoid highways, and enjoy a more comfortable driving experience. Make sure to explore other navigation settings to fully customize your trips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.